Hello, welcome to my Sunday Fromp. I know every week I show you what I got in my deliveries. So I had recently got these. These are sponges to apply makeup. They're makeup applicators, and they're like soft little sponges. They look like marshmallows, but they're just basic makeup sponges, like the ones, like old school ones. Like they're kind of vintage looking, because they are. But I also got this teriyaki marinade and sauce because like I like Asian food, but I don't really like soy sauce anymore. I don't know why. I like dipping my food in soy sauce, but like I don't really like cooking with it. So I decided just to start buying things that I use frequently and prioritize that rather than just buying everything that I need and want. And it's just easier that way if you can buy things that you have multi-uses for. Like this has it has two recipes in the back. It says pasta salad and stir fry, honey garlic stir fry. So these are two interesting recipes that I would have never thought of. And this is like a saucy, like it's like liquid. It's like soy sauce. So it's not sticky. So I'm thinking I can use this for a lot of different things. And you know, like I was gonna make some stir fry myself, and this is just perfect. So I just wanted to show you guys these two things that I got earlier. I have this little box here. Open it up, and I have just one thing, right? So like this is cutter, and this is cutter, which is, as you know, it's like for like when you get rashes and stuff. Cutter is usually like to you spray it on you and it keeps like away insects, right? But this one has calamine, and that's why I bought it. You know I never talked to you guys about things like this, but I just thought it would be just kind of, you know, just a random pick. And this is poison ivy spray, drying and soothing for poison ivy, oak, and sumac. It says it dries the oozing, soothes the pain, and calms the itching, right? So it has like an analgesic, which is like used for like irritations, and that's what soothes the irritation. And the calamine, I like the calamine. It's a spray, so you just spray it like that, and on the rash. It doesn't smell bad. It smells kind of like pleasant, like powder fresh. So it's not a bad smell. It's not heavy, but you can smell like a little bit of medicine smell. And I think this would be perfect, you know, being that a lot of us are more outside in the summertime and stuff. In the springtime, this is good, like when we're out and about and you know you need something like this. This is the one that I would pick. So here's another box, this big box. And right away I have hygiene. I have my oatmeal. I have my drinks, my Mandarin Splash electrolyte drinks. Let's see. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is my I ordered pesto. So this is my pesto. This is my basil pesto. It's got real pine nuts in it. It's been hard for me to find the one with real pine nuts in it. I like the pine nuts. I think it's healthy, and why change it? Let's see. I bought another of these fragancias. I don't think it's overkill because, like, you know, the weather's kind of gonna be dry. So why not? I got this eyeshadow. I wanted a darker colors, so I got this eyeshadow. It was like less than $2. It was $1 something. See, I think it has tape on it. And let's swatch it. Here's a bronze. It's pretty good. And here's the black. What do you guys think? Let's get another color. Pink. This is like a peachy, like a... That's good. I like it. I think it shows up pretty well. For $2 and all those colors, I think I did a really good job. This is a dress. It's a t-shirt dress. They used to be really cool back in the day. Back in like 2015. This is kind of eggshell white, and it's kind of it's a nice material. It's kind of thin, so I don't know. I'd probably have to wear something underneath it. It's a stripe down the back, like a seam down the back. That's cute. It's supposed to be kind of off the shoulder a little bit. It's high-low on the bottom, if you can see that. And short sleeve, really cute, really stretchy. I think it's a very nice material. I rarely see people using these, but I like it. I'm not sure if I had bought that already, but yeah, that's all I have, and pretty much just these few things. And I'm happy with my order, and I'll be, you know, using all this stuff, so pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job this time, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again soon on my Son de Femme. Bye bye.